Alright, so let's go ahead and install. This is a universal adjustable tank lever. This one is in black, and you can get them in different colors. Super easy to install. Alright, just make sure that your tank has the front, the side, or obviously the top will be a different type. This one you can adjust it to go in the front, or you could go on the side. This is what it looks like. Plastic. And depending, where your little metal chain is, you use these to, like I said, this is adjustable. You pull up, tells you right there, and you slide it in the correct slot, and then you tighten it. Okay, same thing as here. Push, and you change it to whatever you want. Let's go ahead and remove the tank and install this piece. You have to remove the old one first. Let's go ahead and empty it out. Alright, so all the instructions are back here. You could also scan this if you want to. Pretty much tells you how to unlock it. I'll show you now. You're going to line up the two arrows with the slots, and you're going to pull out. That way you can take this little mechanism out. That way you can slide it in the hole, and everything else shows you how to do it. So very, very simple. Okay. Alright, so right here you see these two arrows. You're going to line them up with the slots. Okay. Once they're lined up, you're just going to pull, and it comes right out. I mean, whoever designed this did a pretty decent job. So I'm going to remove the little nut. Don't over tighten this. This is plastic. I'm gonna go and find the arrows. And then you're gonna push in and find the location you want. If it's hitting here, you're gonna loosen this up. You're gonna pull, find the angle. In this case, it's hitting the tank. Alright, then lock it in, but you might have to adjust it. Get your chain, make sure that it's completely closed. Find your slot. Let's go ahead and turn the water on. Alright, once you filled up water, test it out. And that's pretty much it. Alright, so let's go ahead and put the cover on it. Make sure that it works. It doesn't hit the cover and it still flushes. Alright, with the cover on, let's see if it works. Alright, so very good, versatile, adjustable, and easy instructions. Alright.